My experience here at Red River has been amazing. The staff has been very nice, kind, always helpful, and I have learned a lot of things, especially with my food choices, and it has motivated me to exercise and being able to bring my experience here to friends and family members that will benefit greatly with it. I strongly believe that if you don't take care of your health right now, you have to take care of your illness later on. So it's better to prevent and learn about eating well, exercise, and follow God's law.